In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extract audio from video in CapCut, step by step, using a super simple method that works whether you want to edit the audio inside CapCut or export it as a separate audio file. This is perfect if you want to remove the sound from a clip, reuse the voiceover, save background music, or turn a video into an audio file without any confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and import the video you want to work with. To do that, click Import and bring your clip into the Media panel. Once it appears, drag the video down onto the timeline so you can edit it properly. This is the starting point for everything else. Now that your clip is on the timeline, you're ready to separate the audio. Right-click directly on the video clip in the timeline, then choose Extract Audio. CapCut will instantly pull the sound out of the video and place it into its own track below the original clip. This makes it much easier to edit the audio on its own without affecting the video. If you like using keyboard shortcuts, there's a faster way to do the same thing. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S. On Mac, press CMD plus Shift plus S. That shortcut will extract the audio just as quickly, which is really useful when you're editing multiple clips and want to save time. Once the audio is extracted, you'll see it separated into an independent track under the video. At this point, you can trim it, mute it, delete it, or keep it for further editing. If your goal is just to work with the sound inside CapCut, that's all you need to do. But if you do not need the audio inside CapCut, and you actually want a standalone audio file, there's one more simple step. Click the blue Export button in the top right corner of CapCut. In the export settings, uncheck the video exporting box so the video track is completely disabled. Then make sure the export audio box is checked. Next, choose your preferred audio format from the drop-down menu. You can usually pick options like MP3 or WAV, depending on the quality and file type you need. MP3 is great for smaller files and easy sharing, while WAV is better if you want higher quality audio. After that, hit Export and choose where you want to save the file on your computer. CapCut will process the audio and export it as a separate file without including the video. This is a great option if you only need the sound from your clip for a podcast, voiceover, soundtrack, or another project. So to quickly recap, if you want to extract audio from a video inside CapCut, right-click the clip and choose Extract Audio or use the shortcut. If you want a separate audio file, go into Export, turn off video exporting, turn on Export Audio, choose your format, and save it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.